Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.